Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Abdul, and joining me today is my co-host Samir. In this YouTube video, we delve into the topic of leaders' wisdom shortcomings, exploring the common pitfalls and challenges that leaders face in decision-making and actions. We discuss strategies and insights on how leaders can navigate these shortcomings to improve their decision-making processes and foster a culture of wisdom within their organizations. Join us as we uncover key insights and practical tips to help leaders enhance their leadership effectiveness and achieve better outcomes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more discussions like this. Let's get started. Let's start off by exploring a question about leaders' wisdom shortcomings. Why do certain leaders fail to employ wisdom? This question does not have a straightforward answer. We are not discussing politics. Rather, we will address this from a broader human perspective. The first answer is as follows. Certain leaders may not use wisdom due to various reasons. It could be due to a lack of experience or knowledge, an inability to empathize with others, a focus on short-term gains rather than long-term consequences, or a disregard for ethical considerations. The second answer is, additionally, external pressures such as power dynamics, groupthink, or societal expectations can also influence decision-making, leading to a lack of wise judgment. The third answer is, it's important for leaders to continuously cultivate wisdom by seeking diverse perspectives, learning from mistakes, and prioritizing ethical behavior for effective and responsible leadership. Preventing leadership wisdom shortcomings. Let's examine the question. How can leaders avoid wisdom shortcomings? Leaders can avoid wisdom shortcomings by following these steps. 1. Continuous learning. Actively seeking knowledge, staying updated with industry trends, and being open to new perspectives. 2. Seeking diverse input. Encouraging feedback from diverse sources, including team members, experts, and stakeholders, to gain varied insights and viewpoints. 3. Embracing humility. Acknowledging that no one has all the answers and being open to learning from mistakes and failures. 4. Promoting ethical decision-making, prioritizing ethical considerations and values in decision-making processes, ensuring fairness, integrity, and transparency. 5. Building emotional intelligence, developing self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication skills to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics and make sound judgments. 6. Consulting advisors, seeking guidance and mentorship from experienced individuals or trusted advisors who can offer valuable insights and perspectives. 7. Reflecting on past experiences, learning from past successes and failures, conducting postmortems to analyze decisions, and using lessons learned to inform future actions. By incorporating these strategies into their leadership approach, leaders can enhance their decision-making capabilities, foster a culture of wisdom within their teams, and mitigate potential wisdom shortcomings.